the sheep and the goats. Here they are. They're friends most of the time, but sometimes they love to headbutt. Headbutting is something they enjoy and they like to do. It's a fun little entertaining part of their day when they're allowed to walk around, and they love to smell cameras. They really do. And they love to eat leaves. Okay.
Oh, he's pooping. He's pooping. He's pooping.
They're just really, really entertaining. And sometimes they love to headbutt. That's what they do. They headbutt. Hi. How are you? Hey. Whoa. These all talk. Here they go. But they're both girls.
Look at his tail. Look at his tail.
They're both girls. They're both girls. They're quite friendly. They've been together for quite some time. And they're just playing around all the time. There they go.
Well, look, he wants to go claim that territory now.
Oh, miss it.
Look at his tail. Look at his tail.
Oh, miss it. There we go. But they're quite funny. Yeah, don't. It's okay. It's okay. No one's gonna hurt you. Nice. Oh, here we go again.
Oh, I'm staying out of the way.
Oh boy. This is called sisterly love. It's two sisters from different mothers, just having a lot of fun. It's okay. It's fine. You know. Oops. Alright, and that's our fun with our goats and our sheep. That's Lamb Chop, and that's Billy Goat right there. Alright, I'll talk to you later. Bye, guys.